Hi everyone, Racquel here at Bevees. Thought I'd pop on our channel and give you a little lesson on how to make a non-alcoholic margarita for this warm, long weekend that's coming up. We just got a recent review from one of our customers saying that our margarita was the best non-alcoholic cocktail he'd ever had and the truest to a traditional margarita. So we thought we'd give you a quick lesson. Of course, every margarita's got to start off with our salted rim. So let's rim up our glass here, and we've got some rocks. This is a wonderful lime margarita salt, so we'll just rim our glass there. Then we're gonna take our jigger or our shaker, fill it up with ice, and get to mixing this cocktail. The first ingredient we use is our Cut Above Agave Blanco. This is an outstanding product. We use it in all of our margaritas and people really enjoy it. 2 full ounces of this into our shaker. Next, then, we add some lime juice. I'm a big fan of this Italian brand, La Familia. Tastes like real lime, so if you don't have the time or energy to squeeze fresh limes, this is a great option. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that. And then we make our own lime syrup here. This is a great, delicious treat. We use it in lots of our cocktails and so much better than anything you can buy. So 1 ounce of our homemade lime syrup. And finally, we use a homemade triple sec syrup. Again, this is outstanding if you can make it from home. It adds a real special something to our margaritas. 1 ounce of that. And now, for the fun part, we're gonna shake this up. We'll strain it into our glass first. And then we'll top it off with our little bit of ice there. A lime wheel for garnish. And a couple of straws. And there, my friends, you have an outstanding non-alcoholic margarita. Cheers, have a great long weekend.